Atlanta Center, Delta 453, we're declaring an emergency due to cabin pressurization failure. Request immediate descent and diversion.
Delta 453 Atlanta Center, Roger, squawk 7700 and descend to FL 100. Say souls on board and fuel remaining.
Squawk 7700, descending FL 100. We have 145 souls on board, 3 hours of fuel remaining.
Delta 453, cleared direct Birmingham-Shuttlesworth Airport. Expect vectors for runway 6 approach. Winds 120 at 8 knots.
Clear direct Birmingham, expect runway 6, Delta 453. Atlanta Center, Delta 453. Level at FL 100, cabin pressure stabilized but unable to maintain higher altitudes. Confirm emergency services at Birmingham.
Delta 453, emergency services are on standby at Birmingham. Report intentions.
Atlanta Center, Delta 453 will need a low-pass inspection to confirm gear status before full stop.
Delta 453, understood, cleared for a low pass over runway 6. Report when established.
Clito Pass will report Delta 453.
Delta 453, Birmingham Tower, gear appears down and locked. Cleared to land runway 6, winds 120 at 8 knots.
Cleared to land runway 6, Delta 453.
Delta Day 453, Birmingham Tower. Emergency crews report no visible smoke or fire. Taxi to stand 5 via taxiway Bravo.
A taxi to stand 5 via Bravo. Thanks for the support, Birmingham Delta 453.
Delta 453, welcome to Birmingham. Contact ground on 120.19 when ready.
121.9 when ready, Delta 453.